Alright guys, so I have been loving the smoky candle holders that I've been seeing. I showed you some of my inspired decor pieces in my inspiration videos that I put out on my channel. If you missed those inspiration videos, I will leave a link for them down below so you can go check them out. But I want to try to create my own. So that's what we're going to try to do today. We are going to use some craft paint that I picked up from the Dollar Tree and black for $1. We're going to use some Mod Podge that I picked up from, I think, Amazon or Walmart. And these vases I thrifted a couple of years ago. I picked these up for $1.99 a piece, and they were originally from IKEA. So we are going to create our own smoked glass candle holders. So if you want to see how they turn out, make sure you keep watching. Alright, so to create our smoked glass effect, I only want to use a little bit of this black paint. So I'm going to put just a dab on this plate and add some Mod Podge to it. So we'll add, whoa, that was way too much. Was a little overzealous there. So set that to the side. And we'll go ahead now and we'll mix up our Mod Podge and our paint. And it's looking kind of gray. Not really the smoke color that I am wanting. So I'll add a little bit more black. And we'll mix that together. Yeah, that's more the color that I want. So I'm going to take it and we're going to paint the inside of our vase. To give us that smoky look that I want. So it's looking more gray still, so let's add a little bit more black. I want it to be dark, not gray. Yeah. So we'll keep adding layers until we get the desired effect that we want. And then I'll come back and show you the finished product. here is our finished look, and I absolutely love them. They remind me of our inspired pieces, and I will put up a photo here. And we only spent a few dollars. I picked these vases up from the Goodwill. They were $1.99. The pedestal I already had. It came from Ross. It was $4.99. And we just used a little black acrylic paint from the Dollar Tree and some Mod Podge to create these fantastic looking vases. I absolutely love the results. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Did our Pinterest inspired inspiration pieces come to life? I think they did, and on a budget. So if you have enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you are new here, welcome. I love home decorating, and I love doing it on a budget, and I love creating my home decor using things that I have found at the thrift store and upcycling and DIYing my Pinterest inspired inspirations. So if that is something you are into as well, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and become a part of the iSTYLEMYSTYLE family. So that is all I have for you today, my friends. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you in the next one.